This 2004 Winnebago Itasca Meridian 36G is loaded with luxurious features. At 37 feet long with one bedroom slide and one living room slide, you'll have more room for living and entertaining. The full body paint is in excellent condition and has a stunning, perfect appearance. This coach has been garage kept. The exterior is in excellent condition and has a glorious, lustrous appearance and shows little to no signs of wear and tear. This nice coach has passed our thorough inspection process and earned the inspected 5-star seal of approval. It also includes a free Carfax report. Built on a Freightliner chassis, this coach uses airbag and shock absorber suspension to give you a very smooth and stable ride. The combination of a 330 horsepower Cummins diesel engine and an automatic transmission has very low miles and will give you many more years of adventure. Exterior features include a 20-foot power patio awning, power entry awning, window awnings all around, all with metal wrap weather shield protection, and slider topper awnings. There's plenty of basement storage in the 5 standard compartments, and you'll love using the entertainment center with a 24-inch high-def LCD TV and AM/FM CD DVD multimedia stereo with built-in speakers to enhance your patio space. Having features like keyless entry with a key fob and docking lights will make your travel adventure even more enjoyable. There's also an outside shower, rear ladder, and custom full rear mud flap. The tinted thermo-insulated windows provide protection from heating and cooling loss and interior fading. Stepping into this Class A coach, you'll immediately hear the call of the road. Taking your place in the cab, you'll find durable ultra-leather captain's chairs with lumbar support and passenger footrest, tilt and telescopic steering, in-dash AM/FM CD stereo, overhead map lights, and power sun visors. Safety features include air brakes with ABS, engine braking system, stability and traction control, cruise control, roof-mounted air horns, heated and power adjustable side mirrors, fog lights, exterior security lighting, and an entry door deadbolt. When you're ready to set up camp, leveling your coach is easy with the hydraulic leveling system. Plug into campground power or crank on the onboard generator. Set the slides, draw the pleated night shades, turn the captain's chairs, and camp in the lap of luxury, which includes a soft velour sofa that converts electronically. Relax anywhere to enjoy the outstanding living room entertainment center, which features a 32-inch high-def LCD TV. Watch your favorite movies and shows from the DVD VCR combo, satellite via the roof-mounted dish, cable from a standard hookup, or local channels via the roof-mounted antenna. Gather around the convertible dinette with elegant Formica top and comfortable fabric booth seating with underseat storage while watching your favorite shows or sharing a meal. High-end features include fine wood accents, beautiful concert cherry cabinets with brushed nickel hardware, stylish mirrored backsplash, accent lighting, beveled mirror accents, day-night shades, and the elegance of the overall decor and fabric choices. You'll find RV living easy with quite a bit of counter space and storage in the well-laid-out kitchen, which includes luxurious solid surface countertops with folding extension, large under-counter double sink with high-rise pull-out faucet with temperature memory and separate drinking water dispenser, hard-mounted convection microwave oven with 3-burner stovetop, and 2-door refrigerator freezer. The spacious master pass-through bath area, which includes a solid surface top vanity with sink, lighted mirror and medicine cabinet, and corner shower with textured glass surround, seat, and skylight, can be closed off for privacy by 2 stylish sliding wood doors. Hidden behind a wood door is the private bath with toilet and linen closet. You'll also find the hidden washer-dryer combo here too. In the master bedroom, there's lots of storage and counter space in the large cedar-lined closet with stylish mirrored door. and the extra-large built-in wardrobe with beautiful raised panel doors, and in the dresser with elegant Formica top, as well as overhead, under the bed, and in and on the nightstands. When it's time to get some rest for the next day's adventure, you'll love the comfort of your supportive queen-size mattress. Enhancing the bedroom space is the entertainment center with 32-inch high-def LCD TV. There are also pleated nightshades and a sliding wood door for privacy. There's still more of this great coach that you must see on your personal walkthrough tour, so contact us today.